in. I found a gem in Singapore that I would like to share with you all. It's artistic, beautiful, creative, and Japanese-inspired cakes. That place is called quay. This place doesn't have any sign, but we made a reservation here to eat dessert. Grape. It smells like grape. The first cake we had is called chee. Chee consists of black sesame, yuzu, and matcha flavors. The outer shell that held everything together is a creamy black sesame shell. And inside the cake, it's filled with a tangy, tart, yuzu flavored custard. They are like, I don't know, matcha puffs. When you reach the bottom, you're surprised with little matcha wafer balls that add texture to this cake. It's really good. Yeah, it's light, it's not heavy. The second cake we had is called tea. It's inspired by tea tarik, which is like a kind of like a milk tea type of drink. And the outer layer of this cake is a gelatinous shell that is Earl Grey tea flavored. And that shell held bits of pear in the center. I really enjoy this cake because it's both clean tasting and light. Oh, it's like gelatinous on the outside. Oh.
It's really good, right?
This is really good too. I like this and Jay. So good. Gelatinous exterior, and there's some grapes inside.
No pear.
Oh, there's some pear inside.
Yeah.
The third cake we had is called fromage. Fromage in French means cheese, and as you guessed it, cheesecake. The fromage was the heaviest tasting out of the 3 cakes we had. It was milky, smooth, creamy, and very rich. And one thing that makes this cake unique is that they have rum dried fruits to top the cake. The alcohol aroma is certainly there, but it's not overpowering at all. This cake was also on the sweeter side compared to the other 2. Interesting. This is like a date.
Tastes like one.
All 3 cakes were really impressive, both in visual presentation and taste. But I must say, Jay and Tay are my favorite just because I personally prefer lighter tasting desserts. I also want to add, when we went to Keiki, we had to make the reservations in advance because at the time they were reservations only. But things might change, so if you're interested, I did list their name in the video description below. You can Google it and get the latest update. Next, I would like to share my cultural cooking class experience with you before I bring you all to Jumbo Seafood Restaurant for more chili crab. We found this cooking class on Google. They are highly rated and I can see why. Our host was super kind. She explained the culture, history behind different Singaporean foods, and she also guided me and Derek in making one of the best laksas I've ever had. And to this day, I haven't had any that are better.
After you wash hands again, it's okay if you want to wash now, you can wash again later. Before you start cooking. I'll wash my hands. It's okay, we're going to wash our hands. So what we do is that to cut down the spiciness, sugar does the thing. Yeah.
Overall, it was an awesome experience and I would recommend it to anybody who is interested in making and learning more about Singaporean food. Before dinner, we got a popular snack called bakkwa. and it sounds very similar to bakkwa in Kanto, but it's different. Bakkwa is a pork jerky that is glazed with a sweet sauce. The flavor is smoky, sweet, and savory. It smells roasty, a little bit of charcoal. It smells kind of sweet.
Take a small piece for yourself.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna try this. It's glistening. I feel like I might want to take another piece. Can't stop. Thank you. Next, I will take you to Jumbo Seafood Restaurant where we ordered kangkong, onchoy, their famous chili crab, and also chicken fried rice. We're at Jumbo. I just put on my bib. Good?
It's good.
It's really good. I really like this one. Rice.
Thank you. It was good.
It's pretty good. Back at it again, our third crab. A little cilantro on top. I got some. Oh, it tastes different. Interesting. This time for the chili crab, because they do have mud crab, Derek and I ordered their mud crab. We never had mud crab before, so we don't have anything to compare it to, but we kind of regretted that decision because we realized mud crab wasn't what we expected at all. The crab meat was a little mushy, and I don't know if that's just how mud crab is or it has to do with the way they prepared it, but if we do get the chance to go back to Jumbo, we will definitely try with Dungeness crab instead. However, I do want to mention we really enjoyed the onchoy. The onchoy was super delicious. It was a little spicy, savory. It had bits of dehydrated shrimp in there to add more umami to the dish, and it went really well with the fried rice. Jumbo is actually convenient located next to Clarke, where the nightlife is. We're at the party area at Clarke.
Music is pumping.
That's it for day 3 in Singapore. Please like and subscribe and follow me for day 4. See you next week. Bye! It's really hot.
I told you. Oh yeah, you can smell it great.
Baka. Babe, you're such a baka. I'm just kidding. I love you.